Model 2015 Citroën Dispatch L1 Diesel 1000 1.6 HDi 90H1 van Enterprise Body, white, panel van mileage, 100,077 engine, 1,560 cc DV6 UCA transmission, 5-speed manual, front-wheel drive mechanical summary, starts perfect. Runs perfect. Does just about drive but clutch is slipping badly straightforward. Simple cheap repair just needs pressure plate and clutch plate, not an expensive dual-mass flywheel. Grin condition summary, bodywork is in decent, average condition. Interior is very clean. Rear load area is very clean, genuine honest work van. Features: 2 former keepers, cruise control, parking sensors, air con, electric windows, EU status, Euro 5 HPI, clear cap, retail, £4,975. Click the link in the description for pictures and more info. Alternatively, call or WhatsApp us on 07401199723.